Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. How to make Adsterra account on your laptop or PC. Let's start the video. First of all, open up your Google Chrome or browser and type Adsterra. It will take you to this page and you have to choose first website. Tap on the first website. It will take you to this interface. After reaching this website, you have to tap on sign up. After tapping on sign up, it will give you these options. You have to select get started. After tapping on get started, it will take you to this interface. Now you have to fill all this information. You have to write your name, email, password, messenger account, your payment method, everything, and then tap on sign up. After signing it up, it will send a verification code on your email. You have to check your email. Check your email and come back to your Adsterra account. Tap on login and it will show you this interface. You have to write your name and your email. It will send you code on your email. You have to check your email again. Put your email in this bar. Now go to your Gmail and confirm your email. Tap on confirm email and it will automatically create your account on Adsterra. By following these steps, you can make your account on Adsterra.